good morning. This is Haldev Singh Rana once again. Actually, I did my operation like before 3 months back, and it was too good. Like I have already told you that in my previous video, that I have told you that I did my operation in February month, and it was too good. Like operation was done by Dr. Mr. Hitesh Viredia, and it was good. Like, and he did like very nicely that. And I have explained you that also. But now after that, post operation, they did lot of good things with me. Even they did PRP with me. Even they provide me a very good service. Like whenever I wanted to ask any question, doctor, this is happened. So he was at the immediate he was replying to me, and it was too good. Like Dr. Hitesh Viredia and Mitesh is also there. They are also very good at all, and even Mr. Paresh and other doctors are also there. Dankra is also there. But Mr. Mitesh and Dr. Hitesh Viredia, they have given me a very good guidelines regarding this, and you can see my hair now. Now you can see it is not a baby hair. You can snatch a hair from here. Yes, it is really nice one. Like yeah, you can see this. Okay, now my family is also very much happy after looking forward this hair. My dad was very much happy. Now my son has backed, and I am also very much happy. Even my son is looking forward to me. Now my daddy is not Takla. He always used to call me as a Takla, but now he's not calling me Takla. He's calling me Superman. So it's a really nice one, and I'm very much happy with this Hairline clinic. They have provided me and they have suggested me very good medicines. They are very much particular in PRP also. They are very much particular in operation also. So I'm really suggest to you, if somebody wants to have hair transplant, then you must have to go Hairline clinic, which is very nice, and all the doctors, all the staffs, all are very good over here. So bye bye, take care. Till that, see you again.